Want to access your Gmail from third-party apps, but keep running into login issues? The solution is app passwords. Using app passwords, you can allow the third-party apps to connect to your Gmail account without compromising your main password. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can generate app passwords on your Gmail account using your desktop, but before you start, make sure two-step verification is turned on in your Google account. If it turned off, turn it on. Now open your Chrome browser and click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Click on the Manage Your Google Account button. This is the Google Account dashboard. Here on the top search bar, search for app passwords. On the search results, click on App Passwords. Here you can see that I have already generated several app passwords. To generate a new password, simply enter any name in the app name field. Then click on the Create button. See, the app password is created. Now simply copy it and paste it into your notepad or any other safer places. This way you can create multiple app passwords. If for any reason you need to delete any app passwords, you can simply delete them by clicking on the Delete button. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with our social media profiles.